The Higole Gole1 Pro is a compact, fanless mini PC that is powered by an Intel Celeron J4125 processor. Here are some of its key features. Display, 5.5-inch screen, which is unusual for a mini PC, making it more portable and versatile. Processor, Intel Celeron J4125. A quad-core processor known for low power consumption and decent performance for everyday tasks. Memory, 8 GB RAM. Sufficient for multitasking and running various applications on Windows 11. Storage, 256 GB SSD. Providing fast storage and quick boot times, with enough space for software and files. Operating system, Windows 11. Giving you access to the latest features and security updates from Microsoft. Connectivity, supports Wi-Fi 5 for wireless internet connectivity. Battery, 2500 mAh battery, offering some level of portability, though it might not last long due to the power requirements of the device. Graphics, supports 4K output, making it suitable for high-definition media playback or use as a media center. This device is ideal for users who need a small, portable computer with reasonable performance for light to moderate tasks like browsing, media consumption, and office work. The built-in display and battery also make it useful for specific applications where a traditional desktop or laptop wouldn't be practical.